Hello, welcome back to the channel, and if you are new here, welcome! Hi, welcome to the channel. My name is Sarah. It is nice to meet you. If you are returning, welcome back, baby! I bet you're wondering, what are you doing with your hands, Sarah? Well, it's because what's not in my hands? A mic! I have no hands. No hands. I mean, I have two hands, but I mean, look at that. Can you hear me pretty good? Yeah, that's right. Ooh, what is that? A little mic? Yeah, that's right, baby. That's right, baby. Upgrade. Upgrade. Somebody had commented on getting a wireless mic that would be better, and you know, I have been thinking about it already, and then my arm was twisted. That comment was what that person. Thank you, person. I want to thank you so much. Thank you for saying to bring a wireless mic, and you know what? I did it! Thank you for being that push I needed. I appreciate you. We're back again today with another Neopets cookbook recipe! Yahoo, yahoo, yahoo! Oh my gosh, exciting. The last episode, it went smoother. The last episode was probably the smoothest that we have gone so far. So you know what? Should I keep that streak going? No, absolutely not. We're going to do another baking one. So today we're going to be making Illusen Biscotti. I don't know if I said that correctly, but here it is. This is what we're baking today. And we have my favorite Neopets fairy. I love her too. She's so feisty, but I love her. That was the one, if you remember from episode 1, that was the one that I made fan art of. But we're back today with making a biscotti. I don't know, I'm so sorry for everything I'm about to say, but I don't know if it's a cookie or bread. I think it's, okay, so it says crispy bread with herbs and spices baked right in. And they're holding tea. This biscotti is best eaten with tea. So yeah, it looks yummy. Like it looks pretty yummy. Like, oh my god. I just really badly wanted to do pistachios because I just love pistachios so much, and I don't think I've had a biscotti before. So obviously the first time I'm ever gonna try one is me baking it with zero experience, nothing to compare it to. So preparing it doesn't seem like it's gonna take too long. The prep time is 30 minutes, the cooking time is 1 hour, and it makes about 24 cookies. So are they cookies? Do you just chop them in half? I don't know. The ingredients call for 3/4 cups of pistachio nuts, 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup plus 2 tablespoons of soft light brown sugar, 1½ teaspoons of baking powder, 1½ teaspoons of ground cardamom. I have no idea what the heck that is, and I was able to actually find it relatively easily, and so I bought it, and then I've never heard of this ingredient before. So whenever I got it at the store, I opened it up and I smelled it because I just needed to know what it smelled like, and it like cleared my sinuses up a little bit, so that was cool. I'm excited to cook it with this. A 1/4 teaspoon of dried thyme, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, a pinch of salt, 2 eggs, and 2 ounces of dark chocolate chips. So, that looks like chocolate, so I bet it's gonna taste like that. I'm very excited to see how it turns out, so I don't know, we'll see how it goes. Now it is time for me to go and gather the ingredients, so I'll see you guys in a little bit. Okay, so now we have gathered the ingredients. I've got the brown sugar, we got the flour, pistachio. I put a little too much of pistachios. I put a whole cup of pistachios. There is all of the other stuff. Alright, so there are all the ingredients. Now it's time to get started on the whole baking process. There's only 5 steps, so I'm feeling pretty good about it. We're starting off strong. Step 1, the easiest step in all of it. Preheat the oven to 340 degrees and line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Boom! Easy peasy. Boom! Done. Okay, I'm done being silly. Just kidding, no I'm not. Alright, select 2 ounces of the greenest pistachios and set them aside. Then place the rest into a mini chopper, a spice grinder, or a small bowl of a food processor and blend to a fine powder. Wait, for real? Dude, for real? Dude, for real? Why? Why? Why does everything require food processors? The fuck do I look like? A food processing lady? No? Alright. Boom. Pistachio powder. That's crazy. So select 2 ounces of the greenest pistachios, set them aside, and place the rest. I did it backwards. Okay, hold on. I did it backwards. Well, now I just have pistachio powder. All right, we gotta find powder. Okay, so we completed steps 1 and 2. So now we're going to go ahead and start with step 3. This looks so weird. It looks a little... I think I blended it too much. This does not look evenly mixed. Oh my god, I'm starting to think I did it bad again. It's supposed to turn into a dough? Dude, what the hell? Why is it always dough, brother? Yeah, no, this isn't gonna work out. Oh my god, this is such bad. I'm gonna eat this up. Damn, that tastes good though. Damn, that tastes good though. I need this to work out. I don't think this is right. Look at it. I know nothing about biscotti. Okay, I mean, that looks pretty mixed. It smells great, and I haven't even started cooking it or baking it or whatever the heck, but sure, why not? So I did try to bring it together already because I just... What the heck? What? Okay, I need to make it into a sausage shape though, so I'll just do that. This is the only way I could think of doing it. I'm sorry if this looks bad. It's because it is. Okay, so I need to have it be like 12 inches is what it said. Look, this dude, it looks like... No, don't say it, Sarah, don't say it! I'm sorry if a biscotti is your favorite yummy treat, and I'm just like over here like... making it so cursed. Trying my best. Trying my best here. I think that looks pretty okay. Okay, transfer it to the baking sheet. Okay, I can do that. Can I do that? I don't know if I can actually. I lost all my confidence. Okay, so there's the log. Let's transfer that bad boy to a baking sheet. Dude! Oh my god! That worked out so good! Holy crap! Oh my god! Okay. I don't know if it's supposed to look like this. Okay, so it's been about 35... Yeah, it's been about 35 minutes now. So it says until a little risen and looking dry. Let's see how it looks. Let me bring that with me. That looks pretty dry, I'd say. Okay, so it looks pretty dry. I guess I'll just pull it out now and then just, you know, wait some more. I look kind of crazy on that, didn't I? Well, I am kind of crazy, so. It smells so good though. It did crack in the top a little bit. I don't know if you can see it. I don't know, it's falling over. I don't want to. Okay. So now I need for it to cool. It's gonna be weird. Now we need to allow it to cool and then slice into 1/2-inch thick slices. It's uneven. I'm gonna go ahead and let it like cool down now. I guess I'll be back. See you in a little bit. I know you must be wondering what these are. They're the ingredients. You know, from the beginning. These were in step 3. We're at the end of step 4 going into step 5. So... Oh my god, I always freaking forget something. I mean, it's okay. I mean... You know what's really cool though? You know what's really cool? The mic. I can show you with both of these. You can hear me just hopefully fine. I hate it. I'm so upset. I bet they were gonna taste so good. I was excited for those chocolate chips and more pistachios, but it's okay. Whatever. I can't. I always forget something, dude. It's fine. You know, it happens. Okay, okay. Oh my god, I can't believe I forgot it. Actually, I can't believe it. I'm staying on brand, if anything, you know? So now I need to chop these into 1/2 inch. They're not going to be 1/2 inch. I'm just gonna chop them the best I can. It's really cool because like it baked, it looks like. I can't even tell if it like actually did the thing. Anyway, I guess I'll, oh my God. ASMR. Well, there we go. That's how they're looking. Lots of crumbs everywhere. But now I'm going to bake for 25 minutes. And I need to remember to turn it halfway through. Here are these. All right, bring my shame back. All right, I will see you guys in 25-ish minutes. Now it's time to take it out of the oven. I mean, it looks fun, I guess. I don't know, dude. So, horrible, absolutely horrible. They look, I don't know. Yeah. Yeah. They definitely look some type of way. We're gonna enjoy it warm because obviously I'm impatient. Here are the things I forgot to put in. Amazing. This is what it's supposed to look like. Okay. This is how it ended up looking like. Just like the picture. We're gonna try it. Dude, it smells good. It smells great. ASMR. Dude, it's pretty good. Hold on. This is what they look like.
Oh, I bet.
Thoughts?
It's like a hard brownie.
Yeah.
Is that what a biscotti supposed to be?
I don't know, I guess so.
You know, just go.
You like it?
Mm-hmm. I'm glad there's no pistachios in it.
Huh?
I said I'm glad there's no pistachios in it.
I did have to grind some up.
I know. But like, I don't bite into a pistachio, you know?
Glad you liked it.
I did.
Oh, wow. Oh my God, look at my teacup. Oh my God. Isn't it so cute? Guritama. I don't know if this is how the proper way to... Can I just like dip it? Would it be weird? Am I weird? And don't answer that. Okay, that's good though. Dude, this is pretty good. This would taste so much better if it had those pistachios, those chopped up pistachios and the chocolate chips. What if I just like... Okay, hear me out, hear me out. It's like the same thing, right? I put it on top of it. It's like the same thing, right? That would have tasted so good in there. Ugh. I did this to myself. Okay, so I would like to thank Hound. Hound, thank you so much for leaving that comment, for being that push I needed to get a wireless mic because I really badly wanted one and I'm already liking it. Like, oh my God, look what I can do with my hands. Look what I can do. Look what I can do with my hands and I'm still talking. You can hear me. Okay, yeah, I'm sorry, I'm really excited. I'm very excited about it. What do you guys think about it? I did get a little worried about how this was going to work out. Didn't work out, all right? It did not work out very well. I mean, I guess it did work out, technically speaking. It tastes good. It kind of looks like the picture, kind of. I mean, if I Photoshop it. But, yeah. That's the best I can do. I mean, it tastes great. It tastes pretty good. I think it does taste pretty good with tea as well. I do like that it's crunchy and that. I mean, I guess it would have been better if I had tried a biscotti before. If I had said it wrong this entire video, I'm sorry. If you also like this treat and I have just completely did so bad throughout it, I am so sorry. But it tastes great, so I'm a fan. I'm definitely gonna, when I see it out and about in the world, I'll be like, yeah, I'd like that, please. But we made it, yay! Woohoo! Yeah, I don't know if I would make it again though. It didn't take that long actually. It actually wasn't that bad. I mean, there is always that part where I panic, and I did panic. I'm very glad that it ended up tasting very good. I really thought I messed it up because I had the hand mixer, like the little tung 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 one, and I was like, oh my god, I did it too much. But then I was able to just like put it together. Dough is not, I don't do dough. I don't do dough. No, that sounded bad. I was very skeptical with the fact that there was like no water involved or anything like that, so that was pretty crazy. But it worked out. I honestly almost thought about just throwing in another egg because I really thought I messed it up. And then I thought it would end up tasting too eggy. I'm glad I went against that decision. But yay, we did it! Woohoo! Yahoo! Yahoo! But with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching through this video. I want to thank you guys for everybody who's been leaving comments on the video. Ah, you guys are being so sweet. I appreciate it. Oh my god. I know I put so many exclamation points and I put little smiley faces because I'm just like, literally I'm just thanks for liking it. I'm glad you guys are having fun with it. That's what I want. So cool. So I know I'm not the best at any of this, but I don't know, it's still fun. It's really having me try new things that I really normally wouldn't try at all, and I think it feels really cool. It feels really cool to be able to like go through all of these. There are still quite a few Neopet recipes that I do want to go through on here, and also there is a cookbook that's coming out in May for Stardew Valley. I freaking love Stardew Valley, dude. There was the 1.6 update. Oh my god, I was no life in it. Oh my gosh. So I definitely think I'm going to go through like the rest of the Neopets cookbook, and then I'm gonna do the Stardew Valley one because like, come on, like come on. Do I have any Neopets updates for y'all? I've been barely, I'm still trying to do my dailies, but I like just get on and then I get off. Like, I haven't been doing too much. At least I'm still doing my Trudy surprise. I want that free Neo points. Just free Neo points just from logging in. It's pretty cool. Oh my gosh, wait, I did get a new Neopets because I wanted to equip them with more Battle Dome stuff. But I haven't done anything with that. But I also got a, well, the reason why I decided to get a new Neopets is because, I had a Christmas paintbrush and I was like, oh dang, Christmas paintbrush is cute, and I didn't want to change any of the Neopets that I had now, so I was like, you know what, I'll just get another one. And so I got another Neopets. This is what the Neopet looks like. Do you like the name? Who is Alberta? Anyways, thank you guys so much for stopping by. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for making it until the end. I hope you guys did have a good time with it. Overall, I still had a good time with this. This has definitely not been as frustrating as the other ones. Maybe I actually am getting better. I'm jinxing myself. Maybe I'll try something challenging for the next one. I don't know, I still forgot 2 things, but anyway. Maybe one of them will make it perfect. I think the ultimate win, I just like do it perfectly and it looks exactly like the picture. Then that's it. That's all. Like, but also if I don't get it, I still made stuff, so that's cool. There's a plus side to both, so yahoo! I hope you all have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye! Hello, this is Shoddy Sarah. I know the audio sounds a little different. With me forgetting to add the chocolate chips and the pistachios, I decided to improvise with some of the pieces left, you know, and just melt the chocolate and just put the pistachio dust I accidentally made onto here. So yeah, that's what I did.